Okay, here we go, Whyte Lake Trail. This is, I walked about 400 meters to get up here because it's paid parking now, which sucks. Paid parking in effect. Bunch of bullshit to me. Okay, this is the start of the hike. I got lost last time, went the wrong way. I'm going the right way. So let's get the party started. Okay, we're going in, we're going in. Awesome. Oh, very nice water. Very nice people. Oh, that was fun. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh. Yeah. All right, we did the plunge, we did the cold dip. Beautiful out here, and now gonna head home, and then we're gonna go to the river. Big surprise, we're going to the river. Okay, fuck pay parking, boo. Yeah, man, the hike was good. This is a great hike for a beginner. It only takes about 35 minutes to get to the peak there. Yeah, you know, I was with these girls or women, and yeah, they were having to add more time, you know, on their parking. You shouldn't have to pay for parking here, man. So I hate that part about this. I parked 400 meters down. And but yeah, this is for beginner. This is like a 10 out of 10 hike, man. This was one of the ones that I started it with when I first started hiking. Not too far. We're out here in West Vancouver, and Whyte Lake, man. It was great. It was getting busy. I'm lucky I kind of dipped in, dipped out, and yeah, I had a dip doing it all summer. Adventures continued.